Planning to study in Germany but worried about the cost? The DAAD scholarship might be your golden ticket. In this video, we'll walk you through the latest DAAD guidelines, who can apply, how to apply, and the timeline for the upcoming intake updated for 2025. Let's make your dream of studying in Germany a reality, for free or almost free. The DAAD, Deutscher Akademischer Austauschdienst, is Germany's largest funding organization for international students. It offers fully funded and partially funded scholarships for international students at public universities across Germany. You can receive funding for master's, PhD, and in some cases bachelor's programs, along with monthly stipends, health insurance, and travel allowances. If you're eligible, here's a quick checklist. You must hold a bachelor's degree for master's applicants or a master's for PhD applicants. You must have at least 2 years of professional or academic experience. Your chosen program should align with your current or past field. You need strong academic records and a clear motivation letter. DAAD prefers applicants who can demonstrate a desire to return home and apply what they've learned. What makes DAAD a dream scholarship? Here's what you get. Monthly stipend. Around 934 euros for masters and 1,200 euros for PhD. Accommodation support. Travel allowance. Health insurance coverage. Optional German language course before starting your program. In short, you can live, study, and grow in Germany without financial pressure. Here's what your DAAD timeline looks like for the 2025 intake. August to October 2024 applications open. October to December 2024 submit your online application via the DAAD portal. January to March 2025 shortlisting and interviews if required. April to June 2025 final results announced. September to October 2025 courses in Germany begin. Tip: always check the exact deadlines for each program and university. They may vary slightly. Here's a simplified version of the DAAD application process. Choose your program from the DAAD database. Prepare your documents, CV, academic transcripts, motivation letter, reference letters. Apply online through the DAAD portal or the university site, depends on program. Wait for results. Shortlisted candidates may be called for an interview. Get ready to fly. If selected, you'll receive all instructions via email. Make sure your motivation letter is authentic and aligned with your academic goals. This is where most students go wrong. Germany offers world-class education, and the DAAD scholarship removes the financial burden. If you're